So when you finish doing the recording, you stop your list, stop track, choose your location, okay, use the location, make sure that you change the observer number to 2 or more, then press share checklist with, and you're going to choose CasualBirderPodcastTeam. If you haven't shared a checklist with it before, you need to type CasualBirderPodcastTeam in the title. In the search bar. If you have shared before, that's fine, just select it. So CasualBirderPodcastTeam, no spaces, and then next, and done. Is that a complete checklist of all the birds you had? Yep. And you might want to say for the October big day, but don't worry about that too much. And then just press submit. It will say the checklist will be shared with Casual Birder Podcast Team. You can just say okay, and that's done.